Good morning, children. Today we will read articles. Before starting this lesson, or before starting to say something about this topic, articles, let's read some sentences. I met a boy. Notice the use of a and the in these sentences, children. I met a boy. The boy was crying. I walked up to him and asked him the reason. He told me that the moon was not bright and the weather was not too fine. He had sat by the Kaveri for hours but had not been able to find a single person to help him reach the fort on top of the hill. He had to reach there as he had to meet the magician. Here you can see that in the sentences a and the are used. First of all, we will see where a is used. I met a boy. We don't know who is the boy. He is unknown for us. And boy is a countable noun. It means we will write a boy. Means he can be any boy. The boy was crying. Now we know about the boy. About he is that boy only about whom we are talking in first sentence. That's why here boy is a common noun, but we will use the because it has become now particular for us. I walked up to him and asked him the reason. Means why the boy is crying. Now we know the boy and we want to know the reason why he is crying. That's why the reason means that particular reason. He told me that the moon was not bright. Moon is only one, and so we use the with moon. And the weather was not too fine. And here talking about the particular weather which is going on, and that the weather was not fine means the weather which was at that moment was not fine. He had sat by the Kaveri. Kaveri is a river and it is only one. That's why the will be used for hours but had not been able to find a single person. Means not any person he had been able to find to help him reach the fort on top of the hill. And at the top of the hill there is the fort. Means where he was sitting there was a fort, and on the top of that fort only. That's why for that particular fort the is used, and that particular hill the is used. He had to reach there as he had to meet the magician, and he had to reach on the top of the hill. Why? Because he had to meet the magician, means one particular magician he had to meet. That's why magician is common noun, but we will use the here. Okay, children, now let's move on and see what is article actually. A and a, an, and the are articles. Articles are used before nouns. You can see here in the box and copy it. You can learn it also. A boy, the moon, a person, the magician. A and an are indefinite articles. Why they are indefinite articles? Because when we don't know the thing or person that is not definite for us, we will use a or an for singular countable noun. But when the thing or person is definite and it is not countable or plural or anything else, we will use the. So the is definite article because the thing should be definite. Then only we will use the. Let's move on to the exercise. Here you have to fill a or an only. My father is, what we will fill in first blank, dash honest man. You know that we will write an honest man. Why an, children? H is not vowel, but we will use here an. Why? Can you say that? Because H is silent in honest. We pronounce it honest, not honest. And according to pronunciation of the word, we will use article also. My father is an honest man. He is very rich, still he drives an old car. There is a lake in the park near my house. Would you like a cold drink? It was an hour-long ordeal. I am reading an excellent book. It is about a scientist who needs an umbrella when it rains. It's a delight to get wet. A one-eyed man. Yes, children. One is starting with O, but when it pronounced were, it means it is pronounced like W, because we call W were, and W is a consonant, not vowel. That's why we will use A with one. A one-eyed man is not eligible to get a driving license. Of all the shopping you have done, I see only this book as a useful thing. Again, U is vowel, but the pronunciation here, useful, U, is not like vowel sound. Y double O U or Y O U U means starting with Y, and Y is a consonant, not a vowel. That's why when it pronounced like U and starting the word with U, we will use A. I see only this book as a useful thing. Dan is a European settled in India, because again European starting with E, but it pronounced as U, European, and U is with Y and Y is consonant. That's why a European. Okay, hope you understand this worksheet very well and the use of a and an. Here in the box it is given whatever I discussed above is given in this box. You can read or take a screenshot. Okay children, hope you like this video. In my next video of article, I will tell you about the use of the. Okay, subscribe my channel, like it and comment on it. Thank you.